Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send automatic messages on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, we need to enable the feature. So for that, open your Instagram profile and tap on this three-line icon to the top right corner and tap on settings, tap on account and tap on switch to professional account. So here you have to convert your personal account to a professional account and select here creator and tap on next. So after converting your account to a professional account, tap on this three-line icon again and tap on settings, and here you'll find this creator option. So tap on that and tap on saved replies. Tap on new saved reply and you can add a shortcut here, and now you can type here your message and tap on done to the upper right hand corner, and that's how you can send or make automatic messages on Instagram. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.